Hey, what's going on, everybody? Fish with Rome. How you doing, guys? So today I'm actually out in Jersey near the coastline, and I'm just going to do a little fluke fishing for a couple of hours or so. I'm actually going to use my Tatula rod. It's a 7.6 rod. I'm going to be using this gear, this setup right here. Exactly. I actually got this from Cooking and Fishing. The guy catches a ton of fish. I'm going to work on this technique and see how it goes. All right, y'all, let's do this. Because this is where I want to be, close to the rocks. Like, I've never been out here before. So, and I really did not feel like putting on all of my gear. So, let's work this little coastline right over here and see how I fare out. All right, so I'm going to plant myself, start working this section here. I feel like the wind is going from the left to the right, so I'm going to cast from left and drift it, let it drift to the right, pull it a little bit, see how we go. All right. Yeah, I thought I felt tap, so let's try again. Sometimes they're right in front of you, you don't even know. So this water is warm. This is the warmest I felt this water. Let's move a little bit to the left. I love flat rocks like this because they're so easy to just walk on. Like no drama, you just, you know, walk on them without any issues and you seem to be okay. You even have some places here where you can put your rod down. I bet this could be a really good spot later on. And also I like the fact that there's no one out here. That's a really good deal for me. All right, so I'm gonna get on this rock right here, solid. Just gonna let it drift. All right, so then there's a rock on that side, so I have to be careful. Let me try a little bit more to the left. A couple of more rocks there too, so I'm going to try to hit another area now. Did I almost hit that bird? I almost hit that seagull. So, I seriously got chased by horseflies. That really sucked. But, giving it another try. Oh, he's in trouble. There's some horseflies over there, man. Like, they were trying to eat me up bad. Oh, I heard one. At this point, I want to try just like a regular gulp without the spinner blade. This is a fresh gulp. Well, that's not good. All right, still nothing. You know what they say, after 10 or 15 casts, man, if you're not hitting anything, time to switch spots. So it's time to switch spots. Let me just try something, you know? Sometimes you just need to try something totally different. Sometimes you just need to maybe wake them up a little bit. I'm trying to think that maybe that Berkeley Gulp that I had was kind of old. Maybe the scent on it wasn't fresh. And I just noticed when I was bouncing it off, just kind of just doing this, that I almost felt like I got a hit. Which is interesting because I've seen a lot of people use this technique. So let's see what happens with this. Just gentle taps. You never know. Sometimes it's just trying a different rhythm, trying a different technique, something a little bit different. You just never know. That fish could be right there. Oh, it's almost quarter to something. Got another piece of seaweed. Is that another piece of seaweed, or what do I got here? Looks like I caught a crab, man. Is this what I was feeling? Like, yo, you were trying to get my bait? Let go. You are holding on tight, brother. Come on, little guy. Looks like I got a crab, and this guy does not want to let go. He's like, I'm gonna eat this. Oh, you got caught on it, didn't you? Come on, little buddy, let go. Maybe I should be fishing for crabs. Come on, bud. Yo, are you serious? Let go. Trust me, you need to let go of this. You're gonna make me take out my pliers, bro? Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you misbehaving? Oh, you're missing a claw. That is not good. I didn't do that. All right, bro. Good luck to you. So I know that there's crabs in here. So when you actually let it sit for a little bit, if there is something there, it's gonna trigger it. So I like to use a longer period of time letting it sit, and also allow the rod to come all the way up and letting it sort of do little small dives in and out. That's that crab again. That's a crab trying to get it. There must be a lot of crabs there. So I didn't absolutely go empty-handed. I did get a chance to catch a nice little crab. That was a cute crab, man. Poor little guy was missing a leg. So it's almost time for me to go. I got like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna get on these rocks. All right, so let's fish over here again one more time before I leave. Oh, wait a minute, what was that? Was I onto something? there's some sandbar or something there that keeps catching me, so I gotta go to another area. That's what it is. Hey, what's going on? So hey, what can I tell you? I caught a crab, so I didn't completely skunk. It's still a beautiful day. You can see those beautiful clouds behind me, but I'm gonna continue another day, hit up some Fluke. So thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, peace, amigos, friends, and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.